So how do you download the Among Us app on the iPad? Now, there are a few things you should know. Obviously, the first choice is to go to the App Store and type that in and see if it is available. For me, it most definitely is the official app with plenty of different reviews, and I know that this is the thing. However, there are some reasons why it may not work for you. For example, I'm not sure about which country specifically, but it is possible that it doesn't work in every country's app store. What you can do is to tap on your name within the app store, like your little profile picture, tap on your name again, and go to the country/region. There you have the ability to switch to a different region and access apps from a different country. So that's useful if it doesn't appear in yours. So that's a little tip right there. But also, there are some other potential things. For example, you can explore the settings and find the screen time section, part of which we can see the content and privacy restrictions. And this is a place where app installations and allowed apps can be managed, right? So it is possible that it doesn't even work for you to access the app store, or you cannot really download apps if you have it restricted right here. So as you can see, there are plenty of different little things that go into it. So let me know below in the comments if we managed to fix it for you or what exactly the issue is. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later.